In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can easily extend your Windows C drive. So let's get started. So right click at the start button and open File Explorer. Now click on this PC. So how many times that you have been deleting a lot of files on your Windows because you want to extend your Windows C drive space, but still it isn't increasing its space. So what can we do? So I have here a new volume, or which is in the other drive. If you have another drive on your Windows, then what you can do is we need to transfer this space of this drive into the Windows C drive. But first thing that we need to remember and make sure is that whatever the data, the files, the videos that we have on another drive or our another drive, is that we have to transfer it to the desktop right here, which is in the Windows C drive. Or if you have any flash drive or USB drive, you can simply transfer that or copy that into the another drive. Okay, so using this another drive, we are going to transfer the space into the Windows C drive to extend the Windows C drive space. So for that, you need to make a right click on this PC option and then select show more options. Click on manage. Then you'll find this computer management window. Click on disk management. Okay, so you'll find all the drives right here. Again, once you have backed up all the data files on your the drive that you're going to delete, then what we can do, if you find the Windows C drive, you need to make a right click and then you will find that the extend volume is grayed out because there is no unallocated space right here on your Windows. So we need to create an unallocated space by deleting this drive, okay? So make a right click and then select delete volume. Click on yes. And now we have created a 9.77 gigabytes unallocated space. So this unallocated space, we are going to transfer it to the Windows C drive so that the Windows C drive space will be extended. So for that, right click on the Windows C drive and then you have the option extend volume. So this is not grayed out. So click on extend volume. Click on next to continue. Do not make any changes from here. Just need to simply click on next and then click on finish. And now the 9.77 unallocated space has been transferred to the Windows C drive. And now our Windows C drive is 465.31 MB. Okay? And then if we close this window, the drive that we have earlier has been deleted because its space has been transferred to the Windows C drive. Okay, so that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.